Speed test May. Yes, the first Friday of the month we have a speed test. Welcome today. Today in the daily newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, May the 3rd. 2023. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, 4 Stars Sudoku, and the Killer Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles for the evening. Yes, for the evening. We have 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening, but right now we will start with the speed test. Speed test May. Yeah. Alright, speed test May, and the first one I will solve is the 3 stars Sudoku. 3 stars Sudoku, and this will be number, I believe, number 8473. 8473. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has, let me see, 26 printed digits. 26, it's indicated with 3 stars, should be at 2 stars. 3 stars Sudokus has always 25 printed digits. This one is 26, should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, 15 to 20 minutes. That's the time limit. For 3 stars, 20 to 30 minutes. But it's a speed test. Speed test without comments, without instructions. So let's get started. 2 minutes already passed. Let me check. 5, okay. 5. 5, 5, 5. 5, 5, okay. 9. 9. Okay, come on. 6. 6. 3. Come on, 4. 4. Oh, 4 here. I need 2 here. 5. Come on. 5. I need a 5 here. 1 and 1. 3, 4, 2. 1. The 1 here, need a 2. No, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. 6, 8, and 3. 8 and 3. 8 and 3. Come on. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Need a 6 here. Need a 7. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. 9. 7, 8, 9. Come on. I need the 9s. 2. Need a 2 here. 2. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, and then 9. Come on. 6. 1. Need a 1 here. 7. 7, need a 7 here. 3. This is a 3. 3, 4. Yeah. Come on. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 6. I'm stuck. Come on. 8, 9. Wait. 8, 9, and the 3. 3. Here should be the 3. 3. 8, 9. Need a 6 here. Come on, 6. 6 should be here. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Alright. 7, 8, 9. 7, 8, 9. Come on. 4. Need a 4 here. Come on. 4. Need a 4 here. 7. Need a 7 here. And need a 7 here. 9. Need a 9 here. 2. Need a 2 here. And 7, 8, 9. Need a 7, 8, 9. Need a 3. 3. Here can be 3. This should be the 3. This should be the 3. This should be the 8. This should be the 3. 7, 9, and the 5. Need a 5. 5. Come on. 3, 7, and the 3. 7. Need a 7 here. 8 and a 9. Here we have 8, 9, and need a 7 here. 7 should be here. 8 and a 9. 7. Come on. 7. It could be also 7. 8, 9, and 2. Missing the 2 here. 2. 2. 8 and a 9. The 8 and the 2. Need a 2 here. And need a 8 here. 8. Need a 8 here. 2 and a 4. 2, 4. 4. This should be the 2. 9. Need a 9 here. Need a 5 here. And I need a 7 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 7. 7. Need a 5 here. Need a 9 here. 9, 7, 8, and a 9. 8, 9, 8. 9 minutes. -2, 7 minutes. Alright. 7 minutes. Well. For 2 stars. Okay. We solve it again. Let's go to the next Sudoku with 4 stars. Yeah. Let me check if this is correct. 7 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. I'm pleased with the time. And thank you for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with a second puzzle. 4-star Sudoku. Without comments, without instructions. The speed test of May. Until then, bye bye for now.